Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to take a look at the Ringke's Air Sports and Bezel Styling combo pack for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So we will be putting this on the Watch 4 and then see how to actually install it first, and then we'll be looking at compatibility issues like if it will be compatible with tempered glass and stuff. So I have actually just put a tempered glass on it, so we'll be checking if that works. I will be talking about the compatibility issues other than tempered glass also. There are some things that I noticed, so we'll be talking about all of that in this video. So first, let's go ahead and install this on the watch. Let's see how to actually put it and then talk more about it. So let's go. Let's open it up. So this is the Air Sports and this is the bezel. So you can buy them separately or together for $1999. Okay, so that's aluminum and this is rubber. Looks good. Now to put this, you will have to remove the straps. So let's remove the straps first and then slide this in. Now you'll have to put it from the top. Just align the buttons, so the buttons have to be on the other side, and then slowly start pushing it in from one side, and then in the end you'll have to just pull this a little bit like that, and done. Let's put the strap back. Okay, so this is the Air Sports. So without the bezel, this is what it will look like. So even this is okay, but not that good. Now let's put the bezel. Let's clean this up first. Remove all the dust. Now remove this sticker. Now we have to align this and put it on the watch. Let me align this. Okay, so I'll keep this part up and then just leave it on top of it, and just press it and you're done. Okay, that actually looks good. Now the temper glass has no problems, all the cutouts are precise, so no issues. So you guys have seen the video, so let's talk about my experience with this. So basically I actually like this a lot because it is going to cover your entire watch. The only thing exposed is this small corner here. Other than that, nothing is exposed, so it covers everything properly, and I really like the bezel. So the bezel actually makes it look more like the classic, makes it look more like the Galaxy S3 Frontier. So basically I have the Frontier, I have Galaxy Watch Active, so they all have their own different feel to it. This one, the Watch 4, I was kind of disappointed with the Classic because it looked too plain, too simple. The Frontier actually looked good, it looked manly, and I really like the dial. So I wanted the dial, but I did not like the Classic, so that's why I ended up buying this with the LTE function. So I like this. Now with this bezel, it looks like the Classic. Now one more thing, fun fact, these watches, even though they don't have the bezel, the sides give you the bezel function. So with the Watch 4 you have that option, so that's why I don't miss the bezel. But with this, I really like it. It's excellent, the quality is very good, and with the tempered glass, so I have a tempered glass on it, this cover is actually compatible with the tempered glass. It's not going to go in too much, and the tempered glass stays intact, so it's completely protected now. So my glass has a tempered glass, sorry, my screen has a tempered glass, and the entire body is covered, and I can keep changing the straps for it. So whatever strap I want, I can put that. Now it does not have any problems with the charging also, because the charging connector actually goes over here, so it does not cover that. And the ECG part, the sensor, even that is not covered, so you will not have any problems with that. Now let's talk about what you might have a problem with. Now when you are trying to take your BMI, so that's the new function in the Galaxy Watch 4 where it actually gives you your body composition. So in that scenario, you have to put this like that, and then with these two fingers you have to touch just the button, and you should not touch anything else. So over here, because of this bezel, since this is a metal bezel, when you're touching these two buttons, now you're touching, your finger is actually touching the bezel itself, so you are creating a circuit here. So ideally you are supposed to, the connection is supposed to go from here, from your hand, and then go from this, go from your right hand and then go through your body, and then from your left hand go here. So this is creating a short circuit for you. So your data might be incorrect sometimes. Once I even got a message that your finger is wet or something, and then changed, but it was not wet. So basically I noticed was I was touching this bezel, and because of that was happening. So now I have to be even more careful. I have to angle it in a way where my finger does not touch the bezel. So that's one thing I noticed. Other than that, no issues. Second, once you put this, once you put the bezel, you can't remove this without removing the bezel or bending the bezel, because the bezel is stuck to it. Now if you want to remove it, you have to bend this rubber part and then take it out. So that is going to be a problem. So for me right now, I have two covers, the rugged one and this one. So if I put this, I can't put this, because if I try to remove this, the bezel might get bent. So I'll have to remove the bezel first, so the sticker part will go off, so I'll have to re-stick it again, and all that issues might come. So if you are planning on buying both, then know this, that this is going to be a problem. You cannot, if you do not put the bezel, then it's fine, no issues, but without the bezel, this just looks plain, nothing much. So I like it with the bezel. So either buy this or buy this. Don't buy both of them, because you will not be able to change between them that easily. So anyway, that's what I think. You can have a different opinion. If you have a different opinion, go ahead, comment, and I will reply back to that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.